I think I've got a good edge here now to saw, and I'll use this saw this time. Get up against that shoulder and come back. Straight. It's got a ways to go back there. Still a little bit. Very close. Okay. Now I can clean that up with a chisel, and I'll saw the other side. Let's see how this is going to work here. Let's see if I can make that work. Get up against that shoulder. Try to come straight back. Keep it vertical. There we go. All right, now I'll work that with a chisel.